Hey there. I'm excited to share our next iteration of Artifact, a modern CAD workspace for electrical system design. Our goal with Artifact was to build a collaborative, single source of truth for electrical system definition throughout the entire product lifecycle. We wanted systems engineers, design engineers, manufacturing teams, procurement folks, and technicians to finally operate in a shared ecosystem. What I have in front of me is a typical drawing for a complex electrical system. Once I've dragged in my different components from the library, I can do some pretty neat actions. Things like being able to zoom in and trace a single wire through multiple bulkheads in my system. I can track version history to see how the drawings actually changed over time. I can click on a device and actually show and hide its pin table, which gets auto-generated. And I can also do things like create a BOM and break it up by devices, connectors, and cables, including lengths. And I can see a full list of connections that I have throughout my entire system. It's also just as easy to actually make a new diagram from scratch as well. So what I'm going to do is make a new drawing here. I'm going to take my favorite single board computer, let's drag that in, and I'm going to break that out to two Ethernet jacks, or RJ45s. So let's flip direction of these guys, add a second one, and we're just going to connect that with some regular old Cat6 cable. So once I have this guy set, what I can do is actually drag the pins over for my sources and my destinations. And as you can probably see, the function name actually automatically populates in the connector once I drag it over. Now, once I have it all set, what I can do is also show my pin table for the device, which tells me my pin names, my pin functions, and the wire that's connected to it as well. If I go ahead and hit this export tab, what I can actually do is center this on the page, and I can hit this download page button, which is actually going to aggregate all that information together, and it'll print it in a pretty nice way that I can give my technician team, things including the connections table and the individual BOMs as well. Follow along to get all of the Artifact updates, or join us as an early power user. We're super excited for you to be a part of this awesome development journey.